Dear children, welcome back to our social science class. Are you fine? Good. In the previous class, we studied about continents. How many continents are there on the earth? Yes, there are 7 continents on the earth. We studied about Asia, Africa and North America in the previous class. Today we will continue the topic. First is South America. South America is located between the Pacific Ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. It stands fourth in size. Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak. River Amazon, with the largest share of fresh water, flows through this continent. The dense forests situated here are rich in diverse plant and animal life. Cattle rearing is an important occupation of the people of South America. Piranha is a type of fish found in the river Amazon. They have extremely sharp teeth with which they ferociously attack other fishes and animals and finish them off within seconds. Children, do you like tapioca? Tapioca, the favorite food of Keralites, originated in South America. Many of our agricultural crops have come from South America. Next is Antarctica. Antarctica stands fifth in size. It is the coldest region of the world. It is known as the White Continent since it is covered with snow throughout the year. There is no permanent human settlement. Many countries have set up research centers for climate studies and mineral explorations in this mineral-rich continent. Here, explorations means research or survey. Maitri and Bharati are the Indian research centers in Antarctica. India opened a post office in 1983 at its first Antarctic research center named Dakshina Gangotri. Nearly 2000 letters were mailed from there. Next is about Europe. Europe is located between the Atlantic Ocean and Asia. It stands sixth in size. The Ural mountain range separates it from Asia. It is the third most populated continent. Though southern Europe enjoys moderate heat and cold, the northern part experiences severe cold. It is industrially developed. Fishing is an important occupation. Norway, the land of the midnight sun, and Finland, falling within the Arctic Circle, experience 6 months of night and 6 months of day every year. Is it clear? Next, we will move to the last one, Australia. Children, do you know Australia is the smallest continent? Australia, along with a few surrounding islands, is known as Oceania. It is referred to as the island continent as it is surrounded by ocean. The Greenland, located to the north of the Atlantic Ocean, is the world's largest island. Platypus, the egg-laying mammal. Kangaroo, the animal with a pouch. Dingo, belonging to the dog family, etc. are found exclusively in Australia. Children, do you know which animal has a pouch? Yes, it is the kangaroo. Kangaroo is commonly found in Australia. It can hop fast using its hind legs and tail. Wheat is cultivated extensively in Australia. Australia is famous for sheep rearing. Minerals like gold, iron ore and uranium are heavily mined here. Do you understand? Children, let's recall today's class. Today we have discussed about South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. South America stands fourth in size. Mount Aconcagua is the highest peak in South America. River Amazon flows through this continent. Cattle rearing is an important occupation of the people of South America. Antarctica stands fifth in size. It is known as the White Continent. Maitri and Bharati are the Indian research centers in Antarctica. Europe is located between the Atlantic Ocean and Asia. It stands sixth in size. The Ural mountain range separates it from Asia. Australia is the smallest continent. Australia, along with a few surrounding islands, is known as Oceania. Platypus and kangaroo are found in Australia. Australia is famous for sheep rearing. Children, hope you all understood about these topics well. See you in the next class. Thank you.